My mother, she took classes in English. They had adult classes, and the teacher was excellent. I went a few times with her. And then she would write down, there was our telephone was on a shelf in the kitchen, and if she heard a word that was not in her vocabulary, she would write it down, and then we would use that word during the day. I'm the oldest of three sisters. So she was always interested in learning new things, and my dad also bought me Compton's Encyclopedia, and this is during the Depression. And then he had a confectionery store at that time. So when it wasn't busy, I would go down and he would read to me, because we lived in this apartment building, and in an apartment, and the store was on the main level there. So, and I thought later on, you know, who read to him? And I think it was just from the Bible. It wasn't any stories. And I thought this was remarkable, because they both read to me from the stories in the encyclopedia, and to give, you know, get a whole set of encyclopedias at that time.